The 49th CARIFTA Games gets underway tomorrow at the National Stadium as Jamaica looks set to maintain its dominance over its Caribbean rivals. Chairman of the local organising committee, Mike Fennell, says some of the technical and other expertise from the ISA Boys and Girls Championships will be utilised at the CARIFTA Games. Fennell says the meet is an opportunity for Jamaica to showcase its talent, but also for the rest of the Caribbean to show how much they have developed.
This will be a big test to see how we have advanced and how the others have advanced, because we do not have any information at all on the current performances of the other countries. That's one. So we don't know that. What we can be satisfied with is that our own athletes are on top form. You couldn't have asked for better competition than what we saw at Champs. And when you look at the actual times and distances and heights and so on, they're all top class.
In the meantime, Fennell says he took note of the turnout for the recently concluded ISA Boys and Girls Championships and has discussed some of the reasons for the hesitancy from fans.
We've had numerous discussions with various people, and everybody has a different view on it, at different aspects. First of all, we must recognize and accept that there's still a hesitancy in the general public in just going out to attend events in bulk, right? Because, as you know, the COVID-19 is still within our system, and therefore it's just not an open thing that everybody goes about. So individuals who look at their own individual movements and their relationships with other people are still hesitating a bit to go to public events.